Hey guys, welcome back to another I'm gonna be playing Slime Rancher today, and make sure to like and subscribe, and hope y'all enjoy. Probably gonna find more slimes and upgrade the ranch and stuff. That, you know, let's get into it. Okay. Okay, check on these guys. Let's feed these guys real fast. Oh wait, wrong spot. I need to purchase one of those. I'm gonna just get all these plorts. I gotta pick up the slimes because I don't have one of those things. Get all the plorts. Okay. Okay, go back in there, slimes. Oh, pink things. Pink slimes. I have 500, let's go. Okay, we're gonna put... Oh gosh, I'm stuck. Oh. This does, it collects all the plorts. And all I have to do is... And it literally gives me the plorts. So that's good. And I can buy another one for the pink ones. This plort option. Okay, where's that at? Shouldn't have any, okay. Okay, let's go adventure, guys. I just got done feeding them. Let's find a new slime today. If we can. I don't want to die. So. Let's get these chickens. We do need more of these, but let's not get them right now. That man just ate a chicken. Hey, back off of my chickens. Okay, let's go. No! All my chickens. Okay, we got most of them back. Rest in peace, chicken. I just like keeping chickens. Let's go this way. I forgot we can't go anywhere. That's so dumb. Let's go over this way. That literally takes you to nowhere. And I have to have a slime key to get over here. What's another one of those slime boss looking thing? Oh, that hurt. Where's another one of those slime persons? Oh wait, is there one back here in that tunnel? Wait, no, it's right here, and yeah, it's over there. It's a tunnel. Maybe there's... Those things look mad. Dang it, I had to get in. Wait, do I have a slime key? No. I don't know where to get the slime key. Hey, we can talk about this, boys. Hey! Maybe we can talk about this. Jeez. Okay. Jeez, what did I do to you all? I'm leaving that chicken there. That chicken's oh, there it is. It's over here. Okay, I can go over here. Yeah, I'm definitely leaving that chicken because that's just funny. Chicken's literally dying. This thing eats anything. Eat those. And I have more fruits. Eat! Wait, what? Oh. How fat are you, child? Jeez. Are you up here? Imagine I can make that. That's not possible. Okay, let's keep finding food for this. I might have to get that chicken. That man just killed that man. And he died too. What happens, boys? It happens. Get out the... I will yeet you. Come here. I told you. Let me up. I wonder if these little chickens do anything. Oh my. Wait, what? Okay. We gotta look for a new slime if we can find one. I haven't found one. I mean, I guess we can get the cat slimes, but that would be boring. Ow, God. Why are these kids just keep jumping off? Okay, let's see if these things do anything. You're worthless. Oh my god. Oh. Hold on, I gotta... Parkour. Wait. No! No way, there's just that there. I did all this parkour for nothing. Well, let's keep adventuring, boys. Never mind, there's not another chicken. I don't know where to go because there's no more slimes anywhere. What? I can't do anything here unless I save up to get the dock, which is $5,000. Let me in. Eat. That cat looked at me funny, so I had to eat him. Nobody watching. Let's go over here. Oh gosh. I wish I could do something, cause like I don't know where the slime keys are. If y'all know where the slime keys are, please tell me. Oh my god, I do not want to be here right now. Let's get out of there. Wait. Let's go down here and feed that guy. That is definitely not the way, guys. No, don't go that way. Ah! I jumped into the sea. I swear, if this guy doesn't break right here, he's the fattest man on earth. Yes! What are you trying to give me? I got a slime key. Okay. Brr. No, don't eat my chickens! No, not the chickens. Okay. Poor chicken. He just wanted to live his life. Okay, let's go see where the slime key opens up to. Does it... I'm guessing it opens up to over here. I don't want you chickens. I don't need you anymore. No, where am I going? Wait. Was it up? Was it over here? I forgot where that thing that going to was. Was it in here? I can't remember. I think it was. Is it? Let's go. Okay. What the? So hopefully we'll find a new slime. Okay, we've seen this before. Okay, so there's an... Oh, boom slimes. Let's get some of these. Oh, what am I doing? Boom slimes. Yeah, if you don't know what boom slimes do, oh, I'll show you in a second. Vegetables, okay. And should we get some of these? Wait, what am I doing? Okay. Probably need to get out of that radiation. Probably kills me. You! How did I do that? Let's just get those out of here. And okay, let's look more this way. Water. Wait, is that a water slime? Whoa. Any more? Hello? I don't see any more. I'm getting kind of dark. I should probably head back. Yeah, I need to head back. My ranch is probably not doing too well. At least we got some new slimes. No! No! Oh my gosh. Where do I need to go? I'm lost. Where do we come from? Do we come from over here? I'm confused. I'm lost. Do we come from over here? Yeah, it's from this tunnel, right? Yeah, it was. Hey, here we go. Yeah, I know the way back home. I don't know what to do with all these slimes yet. I'm gonna make new cages. Let's go. Hopefully we have time to beat all these guys so we can get floored so we can build in a cage before it gets too dark. Let's... Okay, I'll get this in a second. I gotta hurry. Okay, I think I can build a new thing. Okay, 25. I can make it. He's my pet. Sleep into morning. Well, guys, that's probably gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.